Hello everybody, welcome back. Another AI video. This one, I'm in Aiarty or Aiarty. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but I've got something awesome to show you. I am going to show you how you can enhance details and upscale to 32K. That's right, this is legit. 32K upscale. You'll see here under export settings, I've got 32,736 bits. This is absolutely amazing. All right, so the next step is you want to go to Aiarty or aiarty.com and click on Image Enhancer. When you do that, you'll see a page just like this, and you'll see here you can download it for free on both PC and Mac. Just click that button, and presto, off it goes. Now, keep in mind that not only does this do upscaling to 32K, it does a lot of other really cool things as well, making images less blurry, sharpening, denoising, all of that kind of stuff, all of it done with AI. So there's more than just upscaling, but that's what we're going to focus on in this video. So in the next bit, let me show you how to go ahead and upscale your images. All right, once you've opened up the software, you're going to see a screen like this. You do want to note that I am already inside using an image. I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch, but very quickly here, just while I have your attention, I want to show you up at the top here, you'll see it says 6105 by 4070. That is the original image resolution, and I just got this image off pexels.com. And then on the right side, you'll see up at the top here, it says 32,736 by 21,824. It also says that under the export settings, so you know what you're getting. So this is an example of what we're going to be able to do. And if I zoom in real tight here, for example, you can see here that I can move the images around just by holding down the mouse button. And you can go in really tight, and you can already see an incredible change here. On the left side, it's blurry, it lacks definition, it lacks sharpness. The right side, you can almost see right down to the little tiny creases in the lip and in the pores almost. This is amazing. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch with no image. Let's go. All right, so here we are. I've got a blank slate. I've got the program open. No images, nothing loaded. On the right side, and you'll probably have seen this while you installed it here and you got it up and running, it automatically detects what your hardware is. So it figures out what the best piece of hardware is to use. So in this case, I've got an NVIDIA RTX 2070 in here, a nice decent graphic card, but if you had a faster graphic card, or if you don't have a graphic card, it'll use CPU, or it'll use whatever graphic card you're using. Just keep that in mind here. Also, again, we've got some other options here under AI model. For this video, we're going to use the more detailed GAN version 2, but there are two other ones you can use as well. They don't give you necessarily the same upscaling, but they give you a different look to your image. So if you're looking for, something with a little more smooth or a little sharper or anything like that, you may want to experiment with those. And then finally, and this is the critical one, I've clicked on the upscale, and the upscale is set to X8. So this means times 8, which is basically going to say, hey, take my image and go all the way up to 8 times the resolution, not 8K, which is different. This is 8 times the resolution. So just want to get that out there. Now let's go and get an image and get cooking. All right, and real quickly here for this video, I'm just going to use a stock image because in this case I want to upscale it and make it look great for a website. So I've selected this stock image here. I just clicked on it, and then under free download, I downloaded the 6105 by 4070 for this video. You can use any image you want, but to get it up to 32K, you generally want to have a higher resolution image because it just looks better. So there we go. So I've got a nice high-res image. Now I'm going to go back into Aiarty or Aiarty. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to grab that image. So in this case, let's go ahead and grab this one here. It's called Vacation. I'm just going to drag and drop it in here, and you're going to see here that on the left side it is now already loaded it up. At the top left, 6105 by 4070, just like I asked for. And then on the right side, 32736 by 21824. So this is what we've got here. Now, again, if we want to go ahead and check the resolution and check, just at the detailed level here, you could see here that I've gone ahead and zoomed in, and look at this. This looks like a painting almost, kind of like when you zoom in on a painting, it's got that much detail, but a good painting. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and select this here. So if you notice here, I just switched windows. This is a very cool tool here that allows you to compare the left and the right side. So if you're ever not sure, you can always just swap between these two options up at the top there. And then literally, again, we've got our NVIDIA graphic card set. We've already set it to more detail, GAN V2. For me, I'm going to use two-pass processing, two-pass processing. And again, I'm going to keep it at more detail, GAN V2. Finally, if we wanted to add text, we could, but in this case, we don't because it's just a nice image here. And then all we got to do now is click on Run. Watch this. Here you go. It says here, original, exported. It's going to export it. It's going to cook it up, make it 32K, and that is literally how easy it is to do this with Aiarty. All right, guys, thanks for watching.